If you want a lean, powerful, athletic body, no gym, no excuses, listen up. In 90 days, you can change your physique and how you move. This is the No BS Calisthenics Roadmap. Simple, progressive, and practical. No equipment, just body weight, consistency, and the right progressions. You'll get 3 30-day phases: base, strength, and power. Follow the plan, track your sets, and you'll see real change. Phase 1 builds your base: control, mobility, and technique. Train 4 times a week with a circuit style, 3 rounds. Sample circuit, incline push-ups, 12 to 15 reps. Austrian rows or body rows, 8 to 12 reps. Bodyweight squats, 12 to 15 reps. Plank, 40 to 60 seconds. 1-minute jump rope or high knees for conditioning. Key cue, keep a straight body line and control your tempo. 2 seconds down, 1 second up. Phase 2 adds strength and volume. Make pulling a priority. Train 4 to 5 times a week, increasing sets or difficulty each week. Sample session, decline or diamond push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 12. Assisted pull-ups or slow negatives, 3 sets of 4 to 8. Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 per leg. Hanging knee raises, 3 sets of 10 to 15. Conditioning finisher, short sprints or a ladder, keep intensity high. If you hit the top range with perfect form, step up the progression next week. Phase 3 builds power, speed, and athletic shape. Introduce explosive pushes, unilateral leg work, and skill holds. Sample session, explosive push-ups, 5 sets of 4 to 6. Strict pull-ups or advanced negatives, 4 sets of 6 to 8. Assisted pistol progressions, 3 sets of 3 to 5 per leg. Hollow holds or L holds, 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Only add plyometrics when your form is consistent. Control the landing. Small, measurable goals help. Aim for 3 clean pull-ups by day 45, or hit a solid 10 clean push-ups by day 30. Chest progression, start incline, move to standard push-ups, then leaning or pseudo-planche pushes. Back progression, horizontal rows, negatives, strict pull-ups, then archer progressions. Core progression, leg raises, hollow holds, then hanging leg raises. Leg progression, squats, wall sets, assisted pistols, and explosive step-ups for power. If you need to gain mass, eat a safe surplus, roughly 250 to 400 calories per day. Protein target, about 0.8 to 1.0 grams per pound of body weight. Prioritize whole foods, eggs, lean meat, legumes, oats, and rice. Supplements are optional. Use shakes only to help hit calories if you struggle. Track every set. Write reps, sets, in a short weekly goal. If you can do the top range with perfect form, add 1 rep or progress the movement next week. Don't rush reps. Slow the tempo to build tension. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes before each session. Sleep 7 to 9 hours and move lightly on rest days. Quick tip that speeds progress. Track your sets and increase difficulty by the smallest step possible each week. Sample week, Monday, full body circuit. Wednesday, strength. Friday, power. Other days, mobility or active recovery. This plan is a test of discipline. Show up when no one's watching. Be boring. Be consistent. Results follow. If you want the week 1 breakdown, comment BEAST below. Next video will break down week 1 step by step. Warm-ups, exact sets, and how to scale each move. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Start today, move smart, build real strength. See you in the next video.